Hello everyone. This video is going to be a tutorial on how to set up a virtual machine using VMware Player. The reason why I'm using VMware Player and not Workstation is I do not have a serial key. I didn't buy VMware Workstation, and as far as I know, you can use VMware Player just the same as you would for VMware Workstation. And I don't think there is any trial data on the player, but there is on the workstation. So to start off, you want to download VMware, and the player is included in the installation. So just go to Google and search VMware, and no, okay, there we go. And just click on this. Sorry if it's kind of slow. I don't have the best computer. I apologize. What you want to do is go to support and downloads. Cool story. Alright, and then go to downloads, or that's cool too. Yeah, go to downloads. Alright, back, and now that this is loaded, you want to open up the VMware workstation, or click on VMware workstation in the right area over here. And once you've downloaded this, just click on download right here. And now you're going to have to register, so just click register, follow that, it'll download, and the installation should be pretty simple. If you can't follow the installation, this video probably isn't right for you because I already have it downloaded and I don't want to uninstall and run it again. So we'll just skip past this part, and I'll be back once we're done getting everything set up, I guess. Okay guys, now that we're back at the desktop, this is where you want to pick your operating system. And for this video, I will be using a Linux distro because most other distros do take a long time. Not necessarily Linux, I mean, I'm talking like Windows, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, possibly the Windows 8 demo. It's all just a really lengthy process whereas you can use a Linux distro and it's a lot quicker. So once you've gotten VMware installed, you want to go back onto the internet and you want to pick out a distro. Now, if you don't know what a Linux distro is, just try out Ubuntu. It's really simple. All you have to do is just go to Ubuntu, and it should be the first link that's there. And once it's there, just click on download. And once you click that, it will come up with the download page, and in here you can pick from a number of downloads, determining whether you have a 64-bit operating system, what version you want, if you want to get the installer, which is only if you want to install this onto your actual computer. But yeah, anyway, so the first one up here, this right here, will be the one that you want. I have a 64-bit operating system. I'm not going to be using Ubuntu. I'm going to be using Debian Squeeze, which is like Ubuntu but not the same. So just click download, install that, and then once that's done, what we're going to do is we're going to open up VMware Player, which I have down here in my taskbar. Save time. And I'll be back once the players. Alright everyone, I'm back. this is what Vmware Player looks like, and as you can see, it's got all the controls over here. The create a new virtual machine, open one, which you most likely won't be doing because you probably don't know how to open or make one if you're watching this video. And as you can see, I have made a couple already, but what we're going to do is just go to create a new virtual machine, and we're going to click on installer disk image file ISO, and what we're going to do is we're going to go into, I have mine saved on an external hard drive, so we're just going to go in here and go to Linux flavors, and we're going to install don't have Debian in here, so I'll be right back once I find my Debian ISO. And yeah, okay guys, I found my Debian ISOs, and I have two. I have the DVD and the CD. It doesn't really matter. I do recommend CD as they usually are smaller and they do virtually the same thing as a DVD. So what we're gonna do is just click on it and click open, and then it'll say could not detect operating system. Don't worry about that. Press next. We're gonna open up this and scroll up, and we're gonna do Debian 64-bit. Now you may have the 32-bit, so it's alright. Mine's 3 because I already have one, or two other ones. Just click next, and there we go. Now it does have a 512 megabyte memory default, which is a little slow, so you might want to change that. And that all you do to change that is you want to I'm not going to actually go through with this installation because I'm just showing you how to set up the actual virtual machine. If you want to know how to actually set up the specific thing that you picked, just search for a tutorial on how to set up that distro or operating system and then apply that to your virtual machine. So yeah, it didn't work because I messed something up. But anyway, so I hope this tutorial helped you guys, and yeah, thanks for watching.